thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gang, the mom on point, and in this video today I want to practically show you how to make use of this wonderful product called Vagginne. A lot of hypes have been going on social media. Women have been talking about it so much, both men and women. It's a product that is manufactured by Immeri, and it just entered this country recently, and women have been testifying so much about this. I personally have used it, and I want to talk more about Vagginne. And in case you are watching and you have been hearing about Vagginne, or you don't know what the what it is used for, so today in this video I'm also going to talk a little bit more about the future. So Vagginne is a product that is used by women and is enjoyed by men. Used by women, enjoyed by men. It's 100% natural. It contains 100% natural essential oil. It contains hydrochloric acid. It contains polysaccharide. It contains vitamin E. It contains seaweed extract. It contains organic acid and more. And it has a lot of benefits. It's highly moisturizing. It enhances friendly bacteria. When I say enhance friendly bacteria, I want to elaborate a bit about this. Did you actually know that the vagina actually contains two different types of bacteria, the good bacteria and the bad bacteria? That is why you discover that, especially women, the way our private part is so open, and you discover that you go for treatment, you go over and over again. After a few times, you still go again. Maybe after 2-3 months it will start itching you. Is because there's a good bacteria and bad bacteria, and mostly we take antibiotic. This antibiotic will now kill both the good and bad bacteria. But that is why Vagginne is mainly used for this, so that it will also enhances the friendly bacteria. It has excellent malodor. It enhances self-cleaning defense. Everybody needs a clean environment. By the time you use this product, the environment will be so clean. It enhances, it repairs the cells, and it nourishes the ovaries. It restores elasticity. Yes, I repeat that again. It restores elasticity. It reduces high rate of infection. It relieves redness and pain. It also tightens the vagina. It improves the quality of sexual intercourse and more. I can talk over and over. If you give me 1 hour, I will talk over and over about this, because it's a product I have used. I'm a mother of 4, and this is part that a lot of families, a lot of people shy away from talking about it, and it has affected a lot of home. So I want to present to you and show you how to make use of Vagginne. Actually, in a pack like this pack contains 6 boxes, and you are to use 1 a day. So if you are using this box, you are going to use it for 6 days. So here is how it comes. I'll open this like this. So here is the Vagginne. So always, the first thing you need to do is always ensure that you wash your hands. Let your hands be clean. That's first. Then secondly, if you are the type that is afraid, you can actually use your hands, but it's not that advisable. It's better you use it directly like this. So it's insert that you insert it. After you open this is where I hold. I ensure that I don't touch this environment. So you open this cover like this, then make use of this one. Look at the cover. So here is it. I will put it this way. Insert this part in the vagina. You can just insert it maybe to like half, like here, and then you push this. Let me push a bit so that you see it. Here is it. So it has dropped. Let me show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's very nice. So after you do that, you leave it for at least 30 minutes before the action starts. That's if at all you want to do action. Even single people use it. Single people also can use it. It's not necessary that because of action, but because it also prevents cancer, because it helps the ovary. So it's a product that is meant for women, enjoyed by men. Every woman can use it. So you can use it After 30 minutes, if you want to do any action, you can go ahead and do the action. But meanwhile, even after the action, you don't need to wash it off. Just leave it, let it stay there till daybreak. You don't have to remove anything. And again, after using it, you might experience a little discharge. That is because it's taking care of your pH, the pH number, the pH value of your vagina, so that it will stabilize it. But don't worry, the discharge can maybe for a few days or at most 1 week. But this is a product I've personally used and I can recommend it. As a mother of 4, yes, I'm a mother of 4, and honestly, I don't know how to convince you about this product, but this is a product that is very, very nice. If you want to help your sister, your home, your family, it could be that you are a guy, you are watching this video, you are a man, you can buy it for your wife. And if you want to know more about it, you can go ahead and ask questions below. And in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link to my WhatsApp number where you can chat me one-on-one on the products and much more. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell as well, so that you can receive more notification on videos from us. It could be from Immeri, or about entrepreneurship, about selling online, and about online business, or about monetizing your passion and much more. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye.